so I was supposed to be recording that, like making. Oh, okay.
Oh, you didn't record what I said? Hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today so that you can laugh. Sometimes you look for recipes and sometimes you laugh. And this is one of the laughing times, okay? So we're gonna share with you some bloopers to show you that Berta J is not perfect. So let's get at it. But that's it for today. I'll do a quick review. Can opener. That was funny. So don't forget to subscribe. You can use any dry sweetener that you would like, but use 1 tablespoon. I probably said too much and didn't need to cut all that stuff out. Products from Wild Groves. Dewey's waiting for y'all to bring. And I used red cabbage. You chop it all up. You do 2 cups. If you are gluten-free, put in your gluten-free flour. Okay, so the 30 minutes are up. Let me try it again. However, if you are gluten-free, you can use your gluten-free. Why can't I say that? Why do I always want to call that thing wrought iron?
I don't know.
It's not wrought iron. It's
cast iron.
Cup of unsweetened applesauce. I don't get organic. Not that you needed to know that. Am I up loud enough? Loud, oh loud, 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 here I am. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I think I'm ready.
All right.
Let's go.
We got some energy.
I got energy. Yes. Speak up.
Dance around, do some cartwheels.
Well, I can't do that yet.
Do some burpees.
No.
No burpees.
Oh my goodness, no. I saw what a burpee was. No way. Hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today for another installment for Kitchen Essentials. Was that good? Do I need to take a bite of this? So those are baking.
Wait a second.
Okay.
Go.
Through the
Okay.
I've changed it a bit, but that's where I got the inspiration. You can make the same thing without this, and just spread on some of your famous. Blech. And this is on, so you're okay, right?
But you're gonna speak louder than that, right?
I'm gonna speak louder than that. I'm gonna speak louder so you can hear me. Won't be hard for you to edit. You're gonna place it into the preheated oven. That was turned. Let me say that again. And sorghum is a gluten-free. Oh my gosh, the stove is filthy. Don't come over yet. Okay, so the 30 minutes are up. Let me try it again. That's the thing we're going to start with on the stove. But before we get to the stove, maybe I should start all over again. Because we're supposed to do the potatoes first. You guys still laughing? With me or at me? Either way, it doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it. And so, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. Don't forget to leave a comment. And let me hear from you and tell me what you think. And so until next time.